Hold on, bring on. All right. You grab good, All right. You know, play. Show them big. No introduction, I never do for this man. It's shit come fishing. Alright.
Boy. No man, the next one is smaller than this.
No, they do.
Okay. Shot this one ain't going nowhere. Well hooked. Alright, see there? Nice one. Boy, a big one. Boy, a big one right there. So I tap his lure and my lure. 2-1. Right now, movement you got it. I don't know, for second defense.
Yeah. Huh?
Does it look so? He got on the stick. Make it go down. Bien. Jalate de ahí, bab. Quítate, bab. Gatan. Vale, cuidado. Que haga slide, ¿cómo se llama? Que haga slide. Gatan, pretty. Same size.
Nice snook.
Bye, cuidado. Better bring it to the hoy net.
By the leading in my bag, the hook, the crafting.
Not going that way. Nice, boy. Nice, Ed.
Nice one.
Alright, start your money right now.
Nice one.
Bye, ding.
Gawa dos.
Gawan dos, boy.
Beside the next one.
So much grande, boy.
Compañía.
Boy, that one, the big and nice.
Fake. Yeah. Right there. Snook on. Hold on. Kata. Nice snook. Watch your fingers on the lure. By the thing in my bag, the hook, the casting. But still hold it, man. Nice one. Alright, Bing. Why it's all your fault, oy? Nice size.
Y una corriente. Vaya, no vas a lavar el mío, vas aquí. Okay. Clean up campaign job.
Clean up.
Clean up the area. Ni en su casa limpia tanto.
Vaya, limpia antes de salir porque si no, no me dejan salir.
When you girls see you the clean river and telling that even home you clean.
Alright. Not going to what happen here. I said 3.5.
Three and a half. Exact.
3.5. 3.51. Alright, next one. And I said 4 point something, almost 4.5. What wanna say? Four point four.
4.8. Yeah.
4.8. Alright.
Qualified.
Almost 5 pounds. Too nice snook. People there, them boys ain't going right now. I'll stay by myself and leave at least till 1 more hour at 9 o'clock. Maybe one drop. So, midnight.
You come late though.
Only.
So the hour you never there with me, I would do it.
So I'll stay and leave while more guys. So I'll see what happened guys. Peace out. Alright people, so no luck, man. Buying gone around 8 o'clock. I stayed back for an hour. I had one lead hit. So that'll be it for the day. See what the guys want to do later. Maybe we'll come back or maybe we'll do any catfishing later down by the ferry down. So stay tuned. Hopefully the day not done yet guys. Peace out.